Namaste. I am very much indebted to this appreciated step taken by DAV Public Schools by starting online classes during this lockdown period. Coronavirus is a huge threat to the nation as well as the studies, but DAV schools and their well-educated teachers made every topic clear to understand. So I thank the school administration and my teachers. Thank you.
Think online classes is not much fine than our school classes, because in our school classes we are able to directly contact with our teachers, because there is so many students, and there are fun also. And in online classes we are sometime technical issues occurs, sometime network connection loses, so we are not able to sometime hear our teacher's voice, or our some students which are asking questions to our teachers. These are some problem occurs in online classes. In online classes there is a very less creativity, and students are not able to form a very good discipline, they're not able to show discipline, and there is very less creativity, like some project works. And like the in first study we all need to make a better environment that isn't formed there. So I think online classes is not much better than our school classes.
Everyone, we are here to share our feedback with all of you.
Namaste. In this lockdown period, I am very thankful to school management giving such a good online classes.
All the difficult concepts are easily cleared, and the teachers are also very cooperative and helpful. The difficult questions which I was not able to solve on my own, now I can solve them on my own.
Yes, I am watching also that my body is doing very well. He is understanding very well, and teachers had covered almost syllabus up to midterm, and I am very thankful to all teachers who are also working very hard.
So thank you and namaste.
Namaste.
Online education is very interesting, and now it has become our needs in lockdown situation. As we have not to prepare ourselves for school, it also reduces the cost of transportation. Students can get more time to do other activities, but some demerits of online education is that students often engage in online discussion. In this way, we pass maximum time with mobile phone. It will affect our ears. Sometimes problem occurs due to network connection, and we can get miss our class. However, it is beneficial for us if we use it in proper way. Thank you and have a nice day.
I'm Riya, student of 7F. As you all know, today in India there is a pandemic of coronavirus. Because of it, we have to study in online class. We have so many benefits, like when our teacher teaches us in whiteboard with colorful marker, they look attractive and beautiful. We have group chats. If we have any doubt and query, we can ask us from our teacher. They will give us the answers. I think the most important benefit of online class is our terms will completed. I think when we can go to our school after coronavirus, we can study with our teachers and our friends. Bye.
Everyone, I am Sakshi of Standard 8F. I want to say something in favor of online class. Online class is very interesting and it is beneficial. We all are suffering from COVID-19. In this situation, we cannot go outside from our home. So we all have to stay at home and take online class. Online class gives us school-like environment. Our teachers are trying their best, and we all should cooperate them and take online class. Stay home, stay safe, and take online class.
Hello everyone, I'm Radhika, standard 7F, and I'm going to tell you all about the online classes. You all know that today in India we have epidemic of coronavirus. Because of that, we are not going outside for education purposes and schooling. So these online classes are very important for us. Now I want to tell you all what I think about online classes. In online classes, teachers are able to ask questions, and we are also able to answer the question, and we are also able to ask any questions to teacher, and teachers can easily solve our problems. And the most important thing is that in online classes we are aware of internet and new technologies. I feel very good when I take online quizzes and I take online classes. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am here to say something about online classes. Friends, we all know that the whole world is suffering from COVID-19 and because of it we are not able to go to school, and that's why the online classes are going. So friends, you also know that everything have its advantage and disadvantage also. So I am here to say something in favor of online classes. It is beneficial because sometimes when anybody asks questions from the children, they say I don't know because my teacher is not teaching well, so and I can't understand, so I don't know. So now our parents are also seeing our teachers, the way of the teachers teaching, and if they have any complaint about it, they can conference with the teacher, and teacher when he also complain about the children, they can also conference with the parents. So friends, it is also beneficial because now the children are studying because of fear of punishment. They thought that if I don't study, my parents will punish me. So they are studying now. So have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and take online class.